Aging is a natural part of life, but how we choose to approach it is entirely up to us. At Nu Skin, we believe in embracing aging mindfully and confidently. That's exactly why we created ageLOC True Face, our most advanced skincare line designed to help you feel great in your skin no matter your age. This collection is powered by science and thoughtfully formulated to meet your skin's evolving needs. It's all about hydration, skin resilience and radiance, the true signs of healthy-looking, well-aging skin. Rather than promising to turn back the clock, ageLOC True Face supports your skin through each stage of life. But it also addresses with efficacy visible signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles and loss of firmness, but with a realistic and empowering mindset. The line includes 8 products, 1 toner, 4 serums and 3 moisturizers. And the beauty is, you can mix and match to create a routine that works for you, or even combine them with products from other Nu Skin ranges to meet your unique skin needs. Now let's talk about the science behind it. ageLOC True Face is Nu Skin's first scientifically advanced and clinically proven well-aging line. And when we say it's science-backed, we really mean it. These formulas were developed in-house by our scientists in collaboration with our scientific advisory board. We used a wide range of testing methods, from bioinstrumentation and clinical grader assessments to consumer studies. All in all, we took over 109,000 individual measurements and conducted more than 300 safety and clinical studies just for this line. And we tested the products on over 5,700 people to make sure the products deliver what we promise. So when you use ageLOC True Face, you are getting more than just skincare. You are getting real, proven results that support your skin's journey to age with grace and confidence. Let's dive into how to build your personalized routine. No matter your age or skin goals, it all starts with a clean skin. Use our ageLOC LumiSpa IO system for a thorough but gentle cleanse. Then follow with the ageLOC True Face Refining Toner. It hydrates your skin and preps it for the next steps while diminishing the appearance of the signs of fatigue. If your goal is rejuvenation and that is maintaining youthful, healthy-looking skin for longer, here is what we recommend. In the morning, after cleansing and toning, apply the serum of your choice. Then use Radiant Day, our fast-absorbing, non-greasy lotion. It hydrates, smooths the look of fine lines and provides a SPF 22, making it the perfect base for makeup or just heading out the door. In the evening again, start with cleansing and toning. Then apply Peptide Retinol Complex. This powerful serum helps reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, dark spots and pores. And yes, it's gentle enough for daily use. Follow then with the Transforming Gel Cream, a luxurious yet lightweight gel cream moisturizes that locks in hydration and improves skin radiance. Now, if your goal is rejuvenation, meaning you want to address visible signs of skin aging and support your skin through this natural process, we've got you covered. Start, as always, with your cleansing and toning steps. Then move to the serum step. And this is where personalization really shines with ageLOC True Face. We have 4 serums and each target a specific skin need. Line Corrector is ideal for the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, especially around the eyes and the mouth. Essence Ultra is our skin firming specialist, great for visibly sculpted, firmer looking skin. Peptide Retinol Complex again works on skin tone, appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation and fine lines. Just make sure to use it only at night. And if you are not quite sure what your skin needs or want a bit of everything, try the Future Serum. It tackles the appearance of 8 visible signs of skin aging, and some skin characteristics start to show improvement in as little as 7 days. After your serum, it's time to moisturize. In the morning, go for Radiant Day for hydration and sun protection. And for extra nourishment, morning or evening, you can choose between 2 creams. the Transforming Gel Cream, which hydrates and helps strengthen the skin moisture barrier, or the Uplifting Bridge Cream, which offers intense hydration and supports firmer and more defined looking skin. Just a note, if you are using the Transforming Gel Cream or the Uplifting Bridge Cream during the day, don't forget to layer a separate SPF product on top of it before going outside. We know that caring for your skin shouldn't come at the expense of the planet. And that's why the ageLOC Tru Face product packaging are designed with sustainability in mind. Where possible, the products use refillable cartridges, which significantly reduce material usage and waste. Plus, the refill portions, excluding the caps, are made from 100% recycled plastic and are monomaterial. Even our Essence Ultra pearls come into a reusable jar, and you can refill it with a compact and travel-friendly pouch, reducing the annual packaging waste by up to 89%. All of our carton and inserts are made from FSC certified and responsibly sourced material. So when you choose ageLOC Tru Face, you are also supporting responsible management of the world's forests. Refilling is simple. Just remove the cap, unscrew the pump or lid, replace the inner cartridge and close it back up. And for the serum, it's even easier. The cartridge is already free once you open the bottle. With ageLOC Tru Face, you are not just investing in great skincare. You are choosing a science-backed, personalized and sustainable way to support your skin's aging journey. Because aging well isn't about reversing time. It's about living confidently in your own skin at every stage of life.